Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Paul, Mike 0, Whiskey November, Uniform or 26 Charlie Tango 730 if you catch me on 11 metres and PMR 446. Another quick one from my phone. If you read my Twitter, don't think all of you do, but if you do, then you'll know that I had a little bit of an incident, shall we say, in a multi-storey car park where my 2 metre and 77 antenna came off the roof. Now, I've got the NanoVNA here so I can check to make sure the SWR is where it ought to be. I've already calibrated this in the house because I didn't want to calibrate it down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a go and see if I can plug this in for the VNA without me. This is going to be difficult, I've got to hold the phone in one hand. There we go. Let's see where we are with this. Ooh. And surprisingly, it looks like we're okay. I'll just bring that round, so it's just got caught on the gear stick, and I think the adapter's come off, so let's see if I can get that one. Sure that's on tight. There we go. Okay, so let's check that's all tight as it should be. It appears to be. So, with the antenna plugged in, the 144 megahertz, saying an SWR of 1.25 to 1. As I keep going up the band, it's just going up quite steadily, this. So let's see, calling channel. There we are, 145.500. The SWR is 1.39, 1.38, 1.39. Toggling, the car just went past. I think that might have something to do with it. And you can see the reflection of my phone, which is a bit annoying. So 1.39 to 1. And going towards where the repeater's at, about 1.4 to 1. So it's not terrible. It hasn't been too badly affected by its little ordeal, but it does work. It's working fine. I'm not going to bother checking 77s right now, so I don't use 77s that much while I'm mobile, because there's no 77s repeaters around here. And I think part of that's down to the fact that the Ministry of Defence are around here, and they're the primary spectrum users. So, but yeah, I'm alright with that. It doesn't go above 1.5 to 1, which is quite surprising, to be honest. I was expecting it to go. But to be honest, the accuracy of this thing isn't really determinable without putting it against something properly calibrated. But it does seem to tally up with the cross-needle SWR meter, which is something to be thankful for. So, yeah, it's okay. It's tuned fine. It's just every time a car goes past, it's causing it to just flick a little bit, but that's to be expected. So I've been running my APRS beacon since I put the antenna back on. So let's put it to the APRS frequency, which is 144.800 here in the UK. Now that 144.800, and is the frequency we've got there. And the SWR is 1.31 to 1. So I'd say that antenna is perfectly fine, and I've got nothing to worry about. So it's not going to do any damage to my FTM 400, which is what I want. So it's Paul, Mike 0, Whiskey November, Uniform or 26 Charlie Tango 730 if you catch me on 11 metres and PMR 446. As I say, this seems to tally up with the cross-needle SWR meter that I've got, which I don't want to use because it involves transmitting, and I'd much rather not. So, as I say, I'm not going to check 77s right now because I don't use it. So, 73s, keep yourself safe, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. And, of course, you can catch me on the air, or just before filming this, actually, there's it's Wednesday night, so should be our club net on GB3IR. And you don't necessarily have to be a member of the club in order to join. As far as I'm aware, anybody can. So yeah, I'm satisfied. The antenna's behaving itself, and the SWR's not dangerously high, which is excellent. So, 7.3s for now, guys, and I'll hopefully catch you on the air, either whether it be on the repeaters or network radio or the hub net or even the CB if you want. So 7.3s, and I'll catch you hopefully on the next video.